Hi folks! Today we're preparing full medames, a dish whose roots trace back thousands of years, once fueling the ancient Egyptian workers building the pyramids. Let's dive in.
Afsan Farm Kitchen brings you a delightful selection of wholesome, simple Mediterranean recipes, perfect for creating delicious homemade meals. Today, we're excited to share a classic seafood dish from Lebanon. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're a home cook looking to impress tonight, or any night for that matter, I've got just the dish for you. Spiced fish with rice, inspired by the sun-drenched flavors of the Mediterranean coast. It's a vibrant, flavorful meal that's surprisingly easy to make at home. First up, let's talk seafood, the star of our show. In Mediterranean countries like Greece, where the sea is a constant companion, Italy, with its diverse coastlines and culinary traditions, and Morocco, where the Atlantic meets the Mediterranean, seafood isn't just food, it's a way of life, deeply woven into the culture and daily routines. You'll find fish markets bustling at dawn, a vibrant scene of locals carefully selecting the freshest catch for their family meals, haggling for the best prices and sharing stories of the sea. The secret to their amazing seafood dishes? Simple, high-quality ingredients, big, bold flavors that celebrate the natural taste of the fish, and a little bit of chef's magic passed down through generations. So, how do you bring that wow factor, that taste of the Mediterranean, to your own kitchen? It all starts with selecting the right fish. Go for white, flaky fillets like cod, known for its mild flavor and versatility, snapper, a slightly sweeter option that holds its shape well, or even tilapia, whatever looks freshest and most appealing at your local market. Freshness is key here. Don't be afraid to ask your fishmonger for recommendations. Once you've got your fish, give it a quick rinse under cold water, then pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of a great sear. We want that beautiful golden brown crust, and that won't happen if the fish is wet. Now let's talk spice. This is where the Mediterranean magic really comes alive. Mix together a vibrant blend of smoked paprika for that deep smoky flavor, ground cumin, adding warmth and earthiness, turmeric, not just for its beautiful golden color, but also for its subtle peppery notes, and a pinch of chili flakes, just to give it a little kick. But we're not stopping there. I love adding a bit of freshly grated garlic and bright, fragrant lemon zest. Trust me, this combo is going to wake up those taste buds and transport you straight to the Mediterranean coast. Drizzle the fish generously with good quality olive oil. Rub in the spice mixture, making sure every nook and cranny is coated, and then let it sit and marinate while you prep the rice. This allows the flavors to really penetrate the fish. For the rice, Mediterranean cooks keep it simple, yet incredibly fragrant and fluffy. Sauté a finely chopped onion in olive oil until it's beautifully golden and softened, releasing all its sweet aromas, then stir in the rice. I prefer long grain rice for this, and toast it in the pan with the onions for a minute or two. This toasting process adds a wonderful nutty flavor to the rice. Add warm chicken broth, a cinnamon stick for a hint of warmth, and a handful of plump, juicy raisins if you're feeling adventurous and want to add a touch of sweetness. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot tightly and let it cook undisturbed over low heat. Pro tip, don't peek. Resist the urge to lift the lid. Steam is your friend here. It's what cooks the rice to fluffy perfection. While the rice is quietly doing its thing, get your pan screaming hot, like really hot. A cast iron skillet works great for this. Carefully lay the fish in the hot pan, spice side down, and let it sizzle undisturbed for a couple of minutes, allowing that beautiful crust to form. Gently flip the fish, finish cooking it through, and squeeze over some fresh lemon juice right before serving to brighten the flavors. The best part about this spiced fish with rice? It's endlessly customizable to your own tastes and preferences. Feel free to swap in whatever fresh herbs you love, parsley, mint, dill, cilantro, and top it off with a sprinkle of toasted nuts like almonds or pine nuts, or a dollop of creamy Greek yogurt for that authentic Mediterranean finish. This dish isn't just incredibly delicious and satisfying, it's a little vacation for your taste buds, a culinary escape to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean. Seafood has always been the heart and soul of Mediterranean kitchens, a staple ingredient celebrated for its freshness and versatility. And now, it can be the star of yours too. So next time you're craving something fresh, flavorful, bold, and incredibly satisfying, give this spice fish with rice a shot. I promise you won't be disappointed. Your family and your taste buds will thank you for this delightful Mediterranean feast. Happy cooking and bon appetit.